I am joined with Mr. Sanjay Mariwala, sir, who is the president of the IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sir, welcome to NewsX. Union's Finance Minister just released the budget and a big relief for the middle class. No income tax up to rupees 12 lakhs. How do you look at it?
So this was a very good expected outcome. We were expecting her to raise the slab from 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs. She has raised it to 12 lakhs. This has been a very good move. I think this releases a lot of capital income in the hands of disposable income in the hands of the middle class, and what it will lead to is increased consumption, increased purchases of goods, household goods, vehicles, food consumption items, and other items like textiles and ready-mades. I think it will also lead to a certain amount of savings that are going to the market. So I think this will boost the economy in its true sense. This was required because our consumption was running low and our growth rates were coming down. I think this was required to step up our growth rates. This will significantly add value to our growth.
Sir, how do you look at the overall budget, whether it's agricultural sector, entrepreneurship? How do you look at the overall budget which was produced?
So overall, I think she has made the right declarations. I think all the policies that are being talked about are increasing investments in sectors in which we need improvement, whether it's MSMEs where we need some change in the policy of credit as well as of bringing them the ability to do more business more effectively. And second is in agriculture. I think she has done a wonderful job of supporting agriculture and helping the agriculturists do a better job of the crop diversification. I think both these will boost the future of our economies, and I think we have to see the fine print to understand it better, but it's in the right direction. Now execution is very important.
My next question is related to the medical sector. She said that 10,000 additional seats will be added to the medical colleges.
See, doctor intensity in India is very low. Okay, we don't get so many doctors, and I think two things are going to be important. As rural economies expand and get richer, okay, the rural sectors get integrated with the urban sectors. As our infrastructure expands and better roads develop, we'll see doctors also going into rural areas, which means we will need more doctors. And we continue to need extensive amount of doctors. I think even this increase in capacity is scratching the surface. We still need 100 times more doctors than what we are producing.
So my last question is related to the startup industry, where she said funds for startups, and also around 5 lakh women, the first time startups will get an opportunity, especially from the scheduled tribes and the backward tribes. How do you look at it, sir?
This is a move in the same direction that she had taken last time as well. She has set up the fund of funds last time. She funded it and it was used so well that she has recommended it again. I think that has been a very good move. It will continue to create India's startup. See, India is an entrepreneurial country and everybody looks at developing their own business, even if it's small. Okay, and that's how India starts. And I think she's fueling that fire, and I think it's one of the best things to happen to the nation.
Thank you, sir, for speaking to us. So this was the president of IMC who spoke to NewsX exclusively on the whole budget. With video journalist Kunal, this is Daryl Miranda for NewsX, Mumbai.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.